Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, March 4th. Remember, we are in week 4. We are done with week 4 after today. So here we are, day 4, Thursday, March 4th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click async. We have quite a few activities to do in async, but remember, you have a certain deadline. All right, our first activity is a SMART goal paragraph. So in your book, page 13, you have Apply What You Know, part 1 and 2. So you're going to write a paragraph describing one of your goals using these sentences. Okay, you will write a paragraph describing your SMART goal using these sentences. You can also use your own if you would like, but you have to use gerunds and infinitives. Okay, and you type it in the comment section, check for spelling and grammar. All right, your next async assignment is to draft a SMART goal. So think of your SMART goal, and then you are going to explain how it's SMART. All right, remember we did this with Selvin on Tuesday. So here is an example of my goal. Okay, and I told you how it's specific, how it's measurable. I will look at how it's achievable or attainable, how it's relevant, and how it's time bound. Okay, so that is what you will be doing. You think of your goal, so you tell me your goal first, and you tell me how it's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. And you will put that here in your comment section. Okay. Your next activity is to read Living Around the World in Spark and make sure you try to get 75% on the first try. A lot of you guys are killing it in Spark. I'm very proud of you. Keep up the good work. All right. So this is your first article from me for the month of March. So you would have 7 more to go if you haven't read one. And your last assignment is your deliverable. Okay, you're going to describe your short-term SMART goal for this semester. This semester, what would you want to do for this semester? What is your short-term goal to complete for this semester? So what you will do an audio response. Many of you have been doing very well with the audio response. So you will just click and you will record audio or video, and then post. Many of you have done this before, so I'll show again. If you want to do audio or video, most people have chosen audio, which is fine. You click audio and then you start recording. You record, and then when you're done, you click insert recording, and then you type in, this is my recording, okay, and you post. Some of you guys have been doing an excellent job with that. Keep up the good work. And that's it for async. It's Thursday, so that means we have class together on Zoom. So we have a few things to do. We will be doing our vision boards and talk about vision boards. So we'll explain more on that. And you will do your Spark breakout groups. So a Spark breakout group is when we split all of you guys up into different groups to practice your reading. Okay. And it will be all of the level 6, just like Tuesday. So we'll see how that goes. And that's it. Good luck.